Hello, guys. Today we are going to Haunted Mansion with the robot. So let's get right into it. So let's just turn them on. Whee! Bro, what is. Did you guys see that? Bro, I think I was just doing a dance, bro. I should be a new dance, bro. The robot shimmy. Okay, so yeah. So we already reached a hard part. We have to get on top there, but with a little bit of parkour, we can get up there. What the heck? Right here. Everything disappears. So. That was kind of funny though, how I did that. How my body just did that. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. I'm so glad. Wait, just to make sure nothing can see me, I'm gonna go up to a chicken. And if they run away, then yeah, things can see me. Oh, there's a bro. What is that? It doesn't. No, they can't see me. Nothing can see me because I'm a robot. You can literally go wherever you want. This isn't gonna be a very long video, but it's all I can think. A whole nother one? Oh my god, guys. Oh, I can see way better. Now I can see all the way up. This is literally a copy. They literally just took that other course and just copied it over. Usually you can't see it, but if you're a robot, then you can. Oh, I think I see red light, green light. Yep. The anglerfish is right there. I really like the new update with these. Oh, he's right here too. Okay. Oh, we're already here? It's right here? They don't even see me because my body. Wait. Can you go through the keyhole? So we made it here, but I want to try to get to the heart by doing this. Yeah, I think you can go through. I think you can. Wait, I'm gonna get on top so it's a little bit easier. Nope, no, you can't. But I'm still gonna try to find a key because I want to. I want to try to find the lady. I don't know what her name is, but the lady. There's the fireflies. Or the head. I want to try to find the head. Wait, you can't go in any room. They're all closed. Oh, no. You can just sneak. Oh! You can open them. Not that hard. This is kind of scary. Oh, is that a landmine? Wait, I want to test something. Will the landmine explode if I touch it? My body is over there, so will it explode? Yes. Okay, we made it. We made it to the Haunted Mansion. Let's go! But goodbye, guys. I need to go to a party, so bye.